Are you looking for the best compact dryers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best compact dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BLACK+DECKER BCED 37. The BLACK+DECKER BCED 37 compact dryer is a 3.5 cubic feet portable electric dryer designed for small spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs, offering a load capacity of up to 13.2 pounds. It runs on a standard 120V outlet with 1500 W power, so no special wiring is needed. This dryer features multiple drying modes including air dry, cool, warm, hot, plus an ECO option for energy savings, along with a smart sensor dry function that adjusts heat based on moisture levels. Built with a durable stainless steel drum and a transparent front-loading door, it also includes overheat protection, a double-layer lint filter, and adjustable leveling legs. Drying times range between 30 to 200 minutes depending on load size, making it efficient for everyday laundry like clothes, sheets, and towels, though heavier items may take longer. Compact yet powerful, it provides quiet operation, easy setup with a for-vent hose, sold separately, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a space-saving dryer solution. Number 2. Euhomy 110V Portable Clothes Dryer. The Euhomy 110V Portable Clothes Dryer is a compact and energy-efficient laundry solution designed for apartments, RVs, and dorms. With a 1.5 cubic feet stainless steel drum, it can handle up to about 8.8 pounds of wet clothes and operates on just 850 W using a standard household outlet. It features for drying modes, cool, warm, hot, and air dry, allowing flexible drying cycles from 20 to 200 minutes, controlled easily through an LCD or knob panel. Built with a durable stainless steel tub, a wide 105 degrees front-loading door, and a multifiltration system that captures lint and pet hair, this dryer is both convenient and safe. Compact in size, around 19.5 inches by 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches, it can be floor-placed, wall-mounted, or stacked with a portable washer, making it versatile for small living spaces. Certified for energy efficiency and safety, with features like automatic shutoff and quiet operation, the Euhomy dryer offers an affordable, reliable, and space-saving way to keep laundry fresh and dry. Number 3. ROVSUN 110V Portable Clothes Dryer. The ROVSUN 110V Portable Clothes Dryer is a compact front-load tumble dryer designed for apartments, dorms, and RVs, combining portability with reliable drying power. It features a 1.5 cubic feet stainless steel drum that holds up to about 10 pounds of wet laundry, recommended 5 to 6 pounds for best results, and runs on an 850 W heating element, reaching up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for efficient drying. With simple knob controls, users can choose from multiple modes including hot, 120 to 200 minutes, cool, 0 to 20 minutes, and air dry, 0 to 80 minutes, making it versatile for different fabrics. Its compact size, 19.5 times 16.5 times 24, 37 pounds, makes it easy to place on the floor, countertop, or even wall mount with the included bracket, while the transparent door allows convenient monitoring. Operating at a quiet level of around 65 dB, it delivers wrinkle-free results and includes safety features like power-off protection when the door is opened. With a sleek white finish, durable stainless steel tub, and efficient performance, this dryer is a practical and space-saving choice for small living environments. Number 4. Euhomy 1.8 cubic feet portable dryers. The Euhomy compact dryer 1.8 cubic feet is a sleek and efficient solution for small space laundry needs, offering a robust stainless steel drum that dries approximately 10.5 pounds of wet clothing using a standard power outlet. Its 7 flexible drying modes, including intelligent humidity sensing and eco settings, ensure fabric-appropriate care, while full rotation airflow, lint filtration, and overheat protection enhance performance and safety. Delivered with an extensive accessory kit and backed by ETL, DOE certifications and a 1-year warranty, this dryer blends practicality with reliability, making it perfect for dorms, apartments, or RVs where space-saving convenience matters most. Number 5. OOTDAY Portable Clothes Dryer. The portable clothes dryer is a front-load, compact laundry solution ideal for apartments, dorms, and small homes. It features a stainless steel drum with a 9-pound load capacity and operates on an 850W heating system, controlled through an intuitive ABS control panel. Equipped with an exhaust pipe for proper ventilation, it ensures efficient and safe drying. Its compact design, wide transparent door, built-in lint filter, and quiet operation make it user-friendly and space-saving. While it delivers reliable performance for everyday laundry, some users have noted minor concerns regarding noise and durability, making it best suited for light to moderate loads.